We're in the heart of downtown Wenatchee. We're here for the Apple Blossom Festival, and I get to learn a little bit about the history of Wenatchee and the apple history.
And I'm going to speak with the queen of the Apple Blossom Festival to find out how royalty works here in Wenatchee.
Tell her I want my crown back. While Tomas is off finding the Apple Blossom Queen, I'm heading to the museum to learn more about Wenatchee's rich history from the curator, Melanie Wacholder.
So it was first settled in the late 1800s.
Okay.
First trading post here was the Miller Freer Trading Post. That was really the first white people into the area. And then they brought more and more people, of course, as people kept coming west. And then by the 1890s, that's when the Great Northern Railway brought their train through here. And there were already some apples growing in the area, and really the train and the apples were what brought more and more people here.
As more and more people moved to the area, they grew more and more apples, making the area a hub for the apple industry. Today, our high-quality apples are washed, sorted, and packed using computers and lasers. The forerunners of the industry had technology too, but it was a bit more rudimentary. This is where they would do
so
quality
they would
control.
kind of sort them out, and then this is where they actually get catapulted.
Catapulted?
Yeah, so the catapult kind of takes them, depending on their weight, into where they get caught over here, and then...
So they have a soft landing.
Yeah, so it should be a soft
Should be a soft landing. The museum has a lot of great exhibits and information about the apple capital, and eventually I had to go meet Tomas, who was in good company.
All right, Your Majesty. What is this?
This is an apple pie.
Oh, geez, look at that. This is Miss Amy Sand, who served as the 2017 Apple Blossom Queen. Now, this high school senior is not only smart and fun, she loves her hometown. We're actually in front of a pretty amazing thing that's happening here at the park.
Yes.
Tell me a little bit about this.
So from April 27th through May 7th is our whole festival.
Okay.
And it's been happening for 98 years now. This year's theme is Awesome Blossom.
Awesome Blossom.
And it's really exciting and really cool because this time of the year is when the community really comes together. Everyone is giving their time. Everyone wants to make other people happy.
Yeah.
And it's just really cool to watch people care so much.
So tell me, what makes Wenatchee so special?
Wenatchee itself, we have so many growers. My whole life, I was raised in agriculture, and that's what Wenatchee is. It's full of agriculture, and it's just really special to me because it's my home. It's what I've lived to, and when I leave Wenatchee and I go to bigger cities, I feel lost and weird, and it's because everyone here almost knows everybody. It's a small town, and so you're really close with a lot of people, and it's nice to know everyone. It's just really special. Like I've been saying, it's the apple capital of the world.
Well, and those apple pies are any indication.
I know, so good.
You were so true. Well, Your Highness, thank you so much for showing me around today, and I think you are going to have an excellent reign.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
Tomas! Have you been eating all day?
Well, not all day.
This looks delicious.
Here,
Oh, thank you.
give that a try. This is funnel cake.
What is this? Funnel cake.
Yeah, a little funnel cake, some whipped cream, strawberries. I know you like it.
I do.
And if you want to try a funnel cake, the first week of May, Apple Blossom Festival here in Wenatchee. We'll see you there.